In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 campaign. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Navigate to Documents, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, Players, COD22, random number, and this is your game progress. Before dropping this 100% save, backup your game progress. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup. Drag and drop this save game inside this backup and drag and drop this save game inside this location. And now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, select the resume game, select the yes option. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.